Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia Ado. Today I'll be transforming a client of mine. She's going for her movie premiere, and this is the look I'm going to be creating today. So if you want to see it, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also love this video and keep watching. Thank you guys so much. It's still your girl Olivia Ado. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to my page. I love you guys. I love you guys for all the support. So just keep watching and stay tuned. But for now, these are some pictures for the look. Thank you. Alright guys, today I'm going to use a different routine. I'm not just going to start with the brows. I'm going to start by priming her face with Pond primer. I'm just going to massage that in her face, rub it in very well. Normally I used to start with brows. I just wanted to use a different technique so that you can see, you can use other angles. Now I'm putting a foundation in color 3, classic in color 3. That's the foundation I'm using. Going to carefully blend that in her face and also blend it out towards the neck area so the face and the neck will not look different. And I'm going to highlight her face using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey and Fawn. I'm using two colors. You can see the upper one is lighter than the one darker. I think it makes it easy to blend so it won't look too whitish, so that when it's blending down it will blend out well. When you're blending your concealer, especially the highlight, you have to be very careful not to rub it out. You keep dabbing or tapping on the face till it blends very well. If you rub it out, you might not just get a good result, so just keep tapping. You can see how it looks better because I use a darker shade down and the lighter shade up, and I think it's giving me what I want. Her face is kind of changing. You can notice the change in her face already compared to the first time you saw her face. Then I'm just going to blend everything in perfectly well. I always apply the upper part, that is her front, her forehead area and the nose area. Now I'm going to draw her brows using MAC eye pencil in color 1. I know how to use a very black eye pencil very well. There's a way I do it, you'll not even notice it's that dark. It's quite light. I'm using the concealer I used to highlight, to conceal. So I'm using it on top of her eye. Then I'm using the foundation I use on her face to conceal the top of the brows. I like the top looking very natural, so I don't usually use my concealer. You can use a concealer, a darker shade that blends with her foundation, or you can decide to use a foundation to undo that. Okay, now I'm using a powder to set that place first before I start applying my eyeshadow. Using the darker shade first before I'll go in another one. Trying to create a cut crease, so I'm going to just just going to go in with that dark brown over her cut crease area and just blend it out. You have to blend it out for it to pop. I wanted a kind of like nude but sharp look, so I didn't put much of the dark one. This is me creating my crease carefully. I'm using the white eyeshadow on my palette. It is kind of pigmented, so I'm taking my time to apply it. You can see it dusting off our face. It's coming down somehow. Like I said before in my former post, that makeup has no rules. There's no rule book. You just do it the best you can. That's what I would say. Like I said earlier, there are no rules to makeup. I'm just going to line the eye. You just do it the way you know how to do it best. Yeah, actually, this makeup is actually for, that's me lining her eyes, premiere that she's going for. Usually after the movie, and they would premiere the movie today, and she wanted me to do her face beat and also the wig she wore for the premiere. I made it. I also make wigs, and I will hopefully one of this day I will post a wig video. I've not had time. That is Sasha Buttercup. I'm using that to bake. Yep. I'm using my Morphe palette to contour. Dusting it off. My bronzer, Anastasia as usual. I love that glow palette. It's wonderful. You should try it anyway. It is really, really wonderful. At this point I was already almost done. I just had to blend that down part out so it would look nice. She said she wanted a dark brown lip, and this is from Classic Lipstick. Then I think the name on it is Thunder. That's the name. Thunder is the name. Classic Lipstick. She wanted a dark lip, dark brown lip, and this is what it is. Me trying to do the lip well. It's a matte lipstick, so it dries off very, very quick. Very, very quick. I'm putting my setting spray after everything. Alright guys, this is just the finished look. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. If you love this video, please like the video, and also drop a comment on the comment section and tell me what you think. I love you guys. You guys have been so amazing. Bye bye.